Hello! My name is Ryan Yoakum, and today I'm going to show you how you can use Statista for the Business Experience course. Statista is a data aggregation website, meaning that it's pulling data from all across the web. We can use Statista to develop industry information, as well as develop a market profile for a given company or industry. There's also occasionally company data within Statista, so that will be something you'll want to look for as well within that database. If I'm in the Management 1110 Research Guide, I'm going to go to the Industry Information tab, and then in the Industry Reports box, I'm going to click on Statista. And then we can use the search engine right here to find some statistics. We've been using the example of ice cream stores in a couple of other videos, so that's what I'm going to do here. So we'll type in ice cream. And there are three big things within Statista that you'll find interesting. The first of which is statistics. The statistic, which is typically marked by a blue icon, you'll get one statistic that relates to a given subject. So this one is favorite ice cream flavors among consumers in Japan and was conducted in October of 2023. This statistic doesn't come out of nowhere though. There is a company that originally puts that together, or an organization, and we can see that right here if we look to the right at the source. This one is the Japan Ice Cream Association, and we can click on the source link at the bottom here to see where that original statistic lies in the report. Now, I don't know Japanese, however, the statistic is in here somewhere, but this is also really good to help if you're looking for a statistic in a similar category, but want to find an organization that might be interested within that data. So it's always good to kind of click on those links and see who is interested in that topic. We can also get the citation format right here, and we can get that for a variety of different styles. So APA, Chicago, MLA, etc., etc. And then we can download the statistic as either a PDF, an Excel sheet, a PNG image file, or PowerPoint slide. If I go back to our search results, I'm going to click on the first topic, which is frozen dessert industry in the US. And the topics, which are indicated by that red icon, will have a bunch of statistics kind of grouped together based on a common theme. So we can see, for example, for ice cream and frozen desserts, that's based on leading brands, consumption figures, and a variety of other factors. The last thing I wanted to show were the reports, which also collect a bunch of statistics together, but do so in a way that also provides a little narrative. You can see right here that there is a price right here, and it should always be slashed off. Belmont pays for all of these reports, so you do not have to purchase anything here. If you're seeing a price that's asked for you to pay, I would recommend either logging into your library or Belmont account, or reach out to me and I can help you out getting that report. But that should not show up for you at all. So I'm going to download that report right here. We'll click on that. And this is about ice cream lovers in Spain. So there'll be a little bit of a narrative describing some of the trends that are found, so a little bit of analysis, and then we actually get into the statistics, which this one, for example, will show about the different generations and how they favor ice cream and where that all falls together. So this could be very helpful when thinking about the market that you want to work with or that your company might be working with, basically. The last thing I wanted to show is if we're looking for specific things within Statista, we can use the filters right here to kind of narrow our results. So for example, if we only wanted reports, we could click that right here in content type. If we wanted the location to change, we can click that and we can pick anywhere, a country or a specific area. We can also look at publication date to see when that statistic was originally published, and so on and so on. And that's all I wanted to show at Statista. But if you have any questions about researching within Statista, please feel free to reach out to me and I'd be happy to help you out with your specific topic. Thank you so much, and I wish you the best in searching in Statista.